Assalamualaikum, dear students. Welcome to my online class. Today I will talk about two rules of changing sentences. Before in my classes I discussed 7 rules. Today I will discuss rule 8 and rule 9. In rule 8, if you find as soon as in simple sentence, then what will you do in complex sentence and in compound sentence? In complex sentence, you have to write instead of as soon as, no sooner had then, hardly had when, scarcely had when, or barely had when. And in compound sentence, you know you have to write two clauses and two independent clauses, and you have to add two independent clauses by using and or but. And in this rule, we will use and to add two clauses. For example, in simple sentence, there is an example. As soon as he saw me, he ran away. How will you transform it into complex sentence? In rule, we have noticed that instead of as soon as, you have to write no sooner had. So, I have also written no sooner had instead of as soon as, then subject he, and we know after had we have to write verb's past participle form. So we have written the verb past participle form of saw, and it is seen me, and you have to write then instead of comma. He ran away. You can also use hardly had when, scarcely had when, and barely had when. If you use hardly had when, then what will be the answer? The answer will be hardly had he seen me when he ran away. If you use scarcely had when, scarcely had he seen me when he ran away. If you use barely had he seen me, then he ran away. And in the rule 9, there is since or as, and in case of since and as in complex sentence, then how will you transform it into simple and compound sentence? You know since or as is subordinating conjunction, and in this case, instead of since or as, you have to use because of plus subject's possessive form plus noun of adjective. This rule has another rule or another system that you can transform it into simple sentence. You can also use first clause verb plus ing. And in compound sentence, you have to make two independent clauses, and you have to add these two independent clauses by and. For example, in complex sentence, you can see since I was ill, I could not go to school. And when you will find a clause using subordinating conjunction, then you have to use comma and then write the second clause. And how will you transform it into simple sentence? You have to use because of instead of since. So I have written because of instead of since, and you have to write subject's possessive form. What is the possessive form of I? The possessive form of I is my, and then you have to write the noun of adjective. Here ill is adjective, and what is the noun form of ill? Illness is the noun form of ill. Because of my illness, I could not go to school. You can also transform it into simple by another way. For example, you have to add ing with the verb of first clause, and we have the verb of first clause is was, and if you add ing with was, then you have to add ing with be verb. And in this case, you have to write being ill, I could not go to school. And if you transform it into compound sentence, then you have to make two independent clauses, and then you have to add with and you can make two independent clauses. I was ill, I could not go to school, and you can add these two clauses by using and the answer will be I was ill and I could not go to school. Students, I hope you have understood today's class, and in my tomorrow's class I will discuss another two rules. Till then, keep safe and sound. Assalamu alaikum.